a new video. I'm gonna show you in this video the unpacking of the collection Bombay Crush. Bombay Crush is a very colorful, very bright and bold collection, and I still can remember when I created it. It's a little bit time ago, and I had the idea to bring in this India, Bombay feeling, Bollywood colors into this collection. And yes, let's have a look on the previews what I created. This is what you can get. You get the artsy bits, of course, some magic lights, papers, different, and a lot of brushes, and also templates are included. And I'm gonna show you now the creative team layouts here, what my team created, and you can see there's a lot of artsy, colorful stuff going on, and I really love to see those beautiful creations again. This is something I had created, and also you can see here that it's also possible to make something a little bit not that noisy and very clean layout with a touch of color. And also this one with the girl with the little birdie on her nose tip is also created by me, and the next ones here with the dog and streets of New York, and this one here and this one with the bee and the flowers are the templates. But let's go into the folders now, and we're gonna start with the artsy bits and pieces. And this is what you get with this collection. I love to see those colors. This blue is awesome, and it's beautiful, isn't it? Here we have some little scattered stars like confetti. We have here those, it's almost like a paper itself. You can overlay it on your layouts and place it just behind your papers or your images. And here we have a corner and a tiered paper. We have here some splashes and dots, and also very nice embroideries, colorful embroideries here with the button on top of it, and a charm. And here we have from a peacock feather also some embroidery, and then we have here some flowers with the shadow version, paper flowers, glittery hearts, and also some glittery stars. These are the artsy bits and pieces pack, and the next folders are the page overlays. You can create with the page overlays your own papers. You can recreate them. You can clip images on them. You can use them to blend something on an already existing photo. So there is a lot of things you can do. I'm gonna show you in another video how to use them, and what it's also or possible with page blenders or page overlays. Then the next folder, we have the magic lights here. Bright colors, stars, sparkles, bokeh effects, hearts, and yes, a lot of going on here. And this is the magic lights, and the next folder will be the page dividers. These are with them. You can divide a page, you can clip also here a photo on it, like you can, it's how you can see it here in the preview, a photo, or you can clip papers on it and divide maybe your layout with them. Then we have the exposure papers. These are the exposure papers, and I think I really love this one. Isn't it cool? I love the pink and the yellow, the green, and everything what comes together here. Also the other ones are really exciting. They are not too colorful, because already the artsy bits are very colorful, so it would be too much if you have colorful papers and colorful elements. So I think these are just perfectly with the artsy bits and pieces. And then we have the solid papers. Also different textures, but not much going on, so they are very reduced. Also here perfectly for the artsy bits and pieces, or with the combination of maybe page overlays, so you can create here different pages together, but papers together. But this will come up in another video. Then we have the stamps here. We have flowers. We have here arrows, a little bit of fonts, hearts, and elements. And here is the little butterfly I have used in the layout, just what I showed before, on the tip of the nose of the girl. So this is that one. And then we have here some strokes and such things here. And also you can get an ABR file if you are a brush lover, so you can load that in Photoshop or Photoshop Elements and play with them in your favorite graphic app on your computer. Or you can use the black PNG files and use them however you like to. Then we have the swirly frames. This is how they look. These are more black and white, and we have one with colors, and some are grungy. This is one with an little bit of a gesso effect here, and then we have that one. So you get here different swirly frames, and they come in PNG files. Yes. Then we go to the word arts. Here are the word arts. Some I have doodled by myself. Some are typo stuff, and also here you get a lot of different. I think I like those colorful ones. I don't do them often in this colorful way, but in this collection there are some of them, and I think they are pretty awesome with the paper in the back, so you have a little stripe over your layouts, and I think it looks pretty nice. Okay, then we go to the templates. Template pack 1. Really artsy templates. You get in this template 1 folder 2 PSD files, completely layered. When you open them in your Photoshop or Photoshop Elements, everything is fully named, and they are perfectly to blend photos and whatever papers. And also I will show you how to use them in another video, and we only look in this video into the folders that you know when you like to buy this collection, what you can get, so you can decide that this collection is something you love to have. And also here, this is the pack, template pack number 2. We have here also a lot of blending going on, and paper, watercolor, little art strokes, and loopy-la-loosas and washi tapes. So also here, sorry, you have an artsy layout, but it's not too overloaded, because if you use with that templates the artsy bits and pieces, you have so much color and so much elements going on that with only 1 or 2 artsy bits extra on the page, your layout will be fully loaded, and you need nothing more. So this was the unpacking of the Bombay Crush collection. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave always a thumbs up here that you like the videos. If you have any questions, just come over and ask in my anthology group. If you have any ideas, just let me know. We're gonna see us in the next video. Bye!